Hello, students of Advanced Math Topics. Here's the Week 2 overview. There will be a video of this being posted to you. It'll be at the top of the doc. That's going to be sent out this morning. Anyway, again, anything mentioned here in this video will be available through Google Classroom, usually with an assignment post here. So 3 tasks this week here. First of all, we're going to go ahead here and there's going to be a review. You need to study a review for 2627 that you worked on last week. And then you will take a quiz. That quiz is going to be posted at 7:40, April 20th. That's Monday. Again, when you are done with your quiz, take a picture of it that is a quality picture, and then return it in the post that gave you the quiz. Then we're going to start Unit 3. Unit 3 is going to be triangles, a variety of math topics dealing with triangles. First, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. A couple of videos that kind of coincide with the notes. The notes are posted on Google Classroom as well, along with a worksheet. So again, that'll be due on Friday the 24th. And again, just continue working on a day-to-day basis. Again, about 3 hours a week or less per class is kind of what we're looking at. And then the third and final thing will be a real-life Pythagorean theorem problems. So applied problems with the Pythagorean theorem. Again, there's a video and a worksheet that coincides with that, and those will be due on Sunday. Anyway, one final thing. A number of you have turned in things. Others have not. Work on turning in those items. Anyway, again, if you have any questions, email me. Any concerns, email me. Any other things that I may help you with, just email me and we'll get back to you. Thank you, and have a good week.